Try and start the Idaho BDR a little bit today.
Previously on Two Wheels in a Tent, 2 Up into Canada, you may remember this rainstorm/hailstorm that led us into today. So enjoy the adventure with us. And if you like what you're seeing, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. So let's get into this adventure. We got up at 5:30, drove into town to beat the rain, pulled at the Walmart to start finding somewhere to stay. Starts raining. You know, I'm a big proponent of buy the expensive tent because 3-4 hotels pays for your tent and then you're good to go. And then I came to Idaho last night.
Like it was hailing and raining and we were fine, and then it started drizzling, and then right about 10 minutes before we pulled into camp, it was as if the skies literally opened up.
It was supposed to be rain on and off, and we were exhausted and cold and wet, so we again got a hotel, which is not really the plan, but oh well.
2 wheels in a hotel. Yes, I know it's going to be in the comments. But I've had 2 hours of sleep and everything's wet. I've heard of people getting a hotel on moto camps for their wife, but I got a hotel for our gear. A footprint for the Big Aggie. The bags are going to get dried. The actual tent body, the rain fly, pads, and drying out. The sleeping bags are next, and clothes are up in the washer and dryer. Hot tub,
got
food.
Some sleep, got a hot tub, got good food.
Oh, the best burger I've had ever. It's called a 60-40. They ground the bacon into the burger.
And it was bison. So that was right across the street. That was nice. Went on a couple little walks and just kind of relaxed.
Do you want to be dinner? No. Seriously, they fly right by your head. Crazy. What are you doing over there?
Day drinking.
It's fucking not even 1 o'clock, babe.
I don't care.
Why would you be drinking this early?
We've been up since 5, so it really makes it like 3 in the afternoon.
You act like we had a hard day or something.
Mm-hmm.
You're on vacation.
Mm-hmm. I am.
What's the matter, babe?
You stink.
What?
You stink.
That's not very nice to say.
Babe.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Open the window. I think we both needed a day off the bike. Cody's been on it for 9, 10, 11, 12, like 14 days probably straight without not riding. So I think his body needed it too. So we had a rest day, and now we are going to go and do some exploring.
So while we were getting ready to go, I met this cool guy from Canada on his adventure bike, and he was touring through the United States. Always cool to meet people along the way and listen to their story. Yeah, it'd be good to be able to see.
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought.
We're off.
We're off like a dirty shirt. Whatever we do, we do.
We'll see what happens.
It's always an adventure.
Just gonna fly the drone. We got a friend.
Come here, little dear. He's eating.
She don't give a shit. This one's for Hollywood. Mr. Train Man, we're gonna go in and check it out. Fish food. No fish, somebody caught them all. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. The big burn. 1910 fire, same one that took out the other town. But this is the real attraction. The Milwaukee Road. Head on up, babe. It says welcome aboard. Choo-choo!
Conductor suits.
Oh man. Just like you went back in time. St. Mary's. Kootenai County.
We were there.
Yeah. Hollywood will know all about this stuff. Milwaukee Road Muscle. Little bar area. Walk through, you got your maps. Chicago.
This is the Milwaukee Road route to the Hiawathas and Central Cities fleet. Here's the kitchen.
This is crazy. There's your wash sink or whatever. What the hell? This one, some people from the rally will understand, but dead bodies for 500. Oh, dude. Chris. You gotta keep your eye on this one. Little cheater McCheater over here.
Listen, you're
Shooting at Uno.
you're so dramatic.
I'm not dramatic.
Yes, you are.
You can't fucking keep giving me draw two, skip.
If I have them, I can.
Well, how'd you get them all?
You fucking shuffled and cut the cards.
You cut the cards. You had them up your sleeve.
Oh, okay.
Day 2 of Miss Brap and my Idaho BDR. Cooking up some coffee in this beautiful location
I got the sunrise with the drone just a little bit this morning. Correction, I walked you up where the bear was. There's a fork in the road right there, but we think this is the road, and
457.
it is even worse. Like, I can't see any dirt or mud.